Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Tinalo ng San Miguel Bearmen ang Rain or Shine Elasto Painters 109-97. Top performer si Jericho Cruz sa likod ng kanyang 20 points, 4 rebounds, 1 steal. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Wagi naman ang Meralco Bolts kontra sa Barangay Ginebra 91-73. Top performer si Chris Newsome matapos nagtala ng 19 points, 6 rebounds, 4 assists. Heto ang team standings as of March 15, 2024. San Miguel Bearmen 1 win 0 loss. NLEX Road Warriors 4 wins 1 loss. Blackwater 3 wins 1 loss. Northport Batangper 3 wins 1 loss. Barangay Ginebra 2 wins 1 loss. TNT Trupangiga 2 wins 1 loss. Tira Firma Jeep 2 wins 2 losses. Meralco Bolts 2 wins 3 losses. Phoenix Fuel Masters 1 win 2 losses. Rain or Shine Elasto Painters 0 win 4 losses. Converge Fiber Sixers 0 win 4 losses. Heto ang game schedule ngayong March 16, 2024 nagaganapin sa Rizal Memorial Coliseum. Sa first game maglalaban ng Blackwater at Terra Firma Jeep alas 3 ng hapon. Sa main game magtutos ang Converge Fiber Sixers at Magnolia Hotshots alas 6:15 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.